everyone, my name's Allie, and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. If you're interested in unique recipe ideas, gardening, and finding joy in the ordinary like me, be sure to subscribe to my channel as I upload new videos every week. Okay, so today I am sharing the 7th video in my small space garden series, which is planting eggplants in containers. If you missed my first few videos, be sure to go back and check out those as well, where I showed you guys how to plant tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, arugula, and more. Okay, let's get started with today's video. I grew my eggplant from seed. I started this about 6 weeks ago or so, and this is a Black Beauty variety of eggplant. Eggplants are just as easy as tomatoes to grow in containers. They're ready to harvest in mid to late summer, roughly 75 to 80 days, and typically one plant will produce anywhere from 6 to 12 eggplants. Eggplants do require full sun, at least 6 hours or more a day, and they thrive in warm temperatures, about 21 to 30 degrees Celsius. If the temperature gets below this, they will be slow to grow and produce their fruit. Okay, like I've mentioned in my other videos, one of the most important things when growing in containers is having the right size container for your plant. So eggplants do require a minimum of 12 to 14 inches for one eggplant to be in the container, so I will be using the large size container here today. Make sure you're using a high quality potting soil mix. I am using a vegetable and herb mix by ProMix today. And let's go ahead and get planting. Start by filling your soil from the bottom, like this. I like to moisten my soil from the bottom. Stir it around a little bit. Keep adding your soil and keep adding water as you fill it to the top. Oh, and there's my dog popping in the background there. Everyone meet Ginger. She is 10 years old and she is a puggle, and honestly she is a girl's best friend. I just love her. Hi Ginger. She's such a little cutie. Loves to stay right by me while I'm gardening. Okay, now back to the video. Add one last bit of water on the top here. I'm just gonna go ahead and dig a hole. I'm going to use my hand here to just make the hole a little bit deeper. And you can go ahead and place your eggplant right into the container. This was not planted in a jiffy pot or anything, so I am going to slide it out of the little container here. Just be really delicate and gentle. Place it into the container like this and cover around it. Make sure to gently press your plant into the soil. And lastly, you are going to need support for your eggplant. Eggplants need full support while they grow, so make sure you use a tomato cage or trellis, or your plant will fall over from the weight of the fruit. I always like to install this when the plant is very young, and this is because you don't want to be installing a trellis or a cage later in the growing process when the plant has matured. Its roots will have stretched out throughout the container, and when you're pushing those poles down, it will be disrupting and breaking its roots. And once you're done, just give your plant one more bit of water to set it into its new home. You want to make sure to never let the soil dry out completely, keep it moist, and have a regular watering schedule. Check your soil with your finger and water when the first couple inches are dry to the touch. Make sure to feed your plants regularly. Eggplants are heavy feeders, and I'm just using a fertilizer that dissolves in water. You can also make sure to mulch around your plants to keep the soil moist for longer, which is what I have done here. This will stop the soil from drying out as fast. And that's it! Before you know it, you're going to be enjoying tons of delicious eggplant. I love making homemade baba ganoush dip with my eggplant. You can also roast them, they're delicious on the barbecue. So many different options with eggplants, and they're really good for you as well. I hope if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more gardening videos like this, you will give me a like, a comment, or subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay tuned for the next video coming in my small space garden series. I love hearing from you guys, thanks to those who have reached out to me with questions, so be sure to leave me a comment below and let me know how your garden is going this year. Thanks for watching!